So there's a square and there's a cross or something together, meaning that this is like a window or something. You can see like a tree or some bushes or something in the distance, maybe a little flower or two.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Well done.
Over the last 15 years, there has been one method that has always been present in my performances, and its name is reveal. You can have an audience member write down or draw absolutely anything, and in a split second, you'll know everything. Here is the kicker. Reveal uses no technology. This is an analog method that will literally never, ever fail. And that means that the clipboard you hand to your spectator looks like an ordinary clipboard, because it is. The pen you give your spectator looks like a normal marker, because it is. The paper they physically draw or write on looks normal, because it is. The envelope they seal everything inside and hold on to also looks completely normal. Do you know why? Because it is. This is test conditions mind reading at its easiest. You can perform this for one person or 1,000 people. Wherever they decide to write or draw that piece of information, you will always see it. You're going to get everything that you need to perform reveal right out the box. You're going to get the normal, ordinary, but perfectly made clipboard. You'll receive the special gimmick. You will even receive the envelope. Reveal takes less than 5 seconds to set up, but it's a guaranteed showstopper. With Reveal, you will be equipped to perform what I believe to be the strongest real-time method for a drawing duplication that exists on the market. For me, Reveal ticks every single box I need something to tick. It's easy to travel with, it does not need to be charged, and it cannot get damaged or break. I can't think of anything else that has stood the test of time as much as Reveal. It all boils down to this. If you want to tell somebody what they're thinking, whether that's a word, a date, or even a drawing, Reveal is a solution. Your audience won't see anything, but you will see everything.